Hey, this is Sherman Crancer, Senior Partner Development Manager from Microsoft, and this is OneNote in 5 minutes. So Microsoft OneNote 2016 is a digital notebook you can take anywhere and share with anyone. When you store a notebook in the cloud, you can open it from almost any device at any time. You have instant access to all of your essential notes, from random ideas to linked meeting minutes and embedded files. And with upgraded touchscreen features and drawing tools, you can take your notes any way that you want. OneNote 2016 raises note-taking and organization and collaboration to a whole new level. So let's just take a quick look here. Let's do a little tour around. So we have our ribbon bar right here, and we have what's called the instant access, quick access toolbar up here. Very easy to you can customize this, touch mode, favorite pen, redo. It's really a great feature. Secondly is going backstage. So we want to say, well, what does backstage mean? Basically, you're going to click on the file button, and these are going to be all of the notebooks that you have linked or you want to link or possibly bring into your actual notebook that you can see. So as you can see on the left-hand side, we have all of the different notebooks. On the middle, you have sections here. That are for you. And what I did is I created a new tutorial section. We're going to go ahead and just do it one more time just to show everybody real quick. See how it's highlighted? And this one, we'll just go ahead and name tutorial. Let's see. Oh, tutorial, and boom, perfect. There's already a section with that name, so we got to try it with a new name. So we'll do tutorial 1. All right, thank you. Now here we have the pages. So what's neat about this is if we go over to the middle, we can go ahead and start typing in the section name. So let's say we're going to name it tennis. Okay. And what happens here is really interesting. It takes the first word and actually makes it a section. So let's say we needed a new page and we're going to put this football. Okay, perfect. As you can see on the right hand side, these are the different pages. Over here, you can make this a sub page, which is kind of neat because you want to have it all in one, and then you can go ahead and collapse it into one spot. Next, let's quickly look at the ribbon here. So in Home, we're going to familiarize ourselves. As you can see here, we have the different font types we want, headings, to-dos. We can put in a to-do flag or find to-dos. We can actually import our Outlook tasks today. So we can put in here, call George, and enter that. Perfect. Okay, that'll become an Outlook task. We can email the page to someone that we would like to. All we have to do is all the notes that we're taking here, we can simply just go ahead and click on email page, and what happens, it'll take the page and it'll ask you to go ahead and send it via Outlook. So no, we're not going to save our changes here. And then also you have meeting details, and what it does is it brings up all the meetings that are on your calendar for the day. Next, let's go to insert. So the neat thing about this is that we can insert a lot of different files directly into the notebook. So we'll go ahead and quick file attachment, and it's going to bring up a file. So what we want to do here is go ahead and go to our files, and let's say we want to do a picture, and we can take this picture right here and actually embed it in there. That's how we're going to go ahead and embed it. But you can also take a PowerPoint, let's say. Let me go ahead and minimize this. And you can take it right off your desktop and literally just bring it right in. You can attach the file or insert the printout. I always attach the file just to make sure that it's in there. And then if you want to see a visual text of it, great. Next, quickly look over here. You have your the draw function of it. And in here, you can actually select any of the different type of drawings, right? So let's go ahead and select the highlight, and so we can highlight there, but we're going to go back to our typing. Color thickness, you can draw with your fingers, you can insert shapes. Next is the history piece of it. So it's kind of neat here because you can look for recent edits. So since yesterday, we'll go ahead and click that. And the neat thing is it brings up on the right hand side all of the recent edits that you've done, just in case you're like, whoa, gosh, where did I put the last stuff? Next is the review function on the board, and then lastly is the view. One of the views that I really love and I like to use here is the dock to desktop, so I can always have it up and running. And as you can see there, it comes right here, so I can just put in notes on note on notebooks. So boom, it's always there. It's kind of sitting there waiting for me. I can go ahead and re-establish that. So that's just the first introduction to OneNote, one of the best collaboration tools. And thank you for listening to this. Have a great day. Bye-bye.